look what we have here. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have TCL Moveaudio S600. You can pick these up on Amazon for $99.99 prime shipping, and currently right now at this moment you can click a coupon and save an extra $10, so basically $90 right out the back. There are 3 different colors. There is black, gray, and white. Obviously I have the white ones here in front of me. Shout out to TCL for sending these out for review. So $100, what do you get for $100? You get a truly immersive, truly convenient in-ear earbuds, wireless charging, NSC. They state 32 hours of playtime, fast pairing with Android devices. That's kind of like the Pixel thing. When you open the cap, it kind of pop up on your phone, and it do support Google Assistant there, so you are going to be able to do the Google Assistant. And then the back we have crystal clear call with environment noise cancellation. I did see somewhere that it states they have up to 6 microphones for calls, for crystal clear calls. They are water resistant and they do work with iPhones and Android. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open these up and see what we have inside. Very nice presentation. Moveaudio. We do have some pamphlets here. Here's quick start guide to that. Oh wow, look at all these earbuds here. So you do have a assortment amount of earbuds there, so you will be able to find the perfect pair. Bam, earbuds. What do we got also in here? Charging cable, type C to USB. Awesome. Go ahead and put that back. And we have the earbuds themselves. Very nice, feels very premium. TCL logo there, LED light there, charging port there. These flip open, bam, look at that. Look at that. So they look a lot like obviously your earpods, but they feel and look pretty good. They're not too bulky. The stem itself, I hate when they have giant stems. These are all right. Sorry about my fingers. I was dealing with some adhesive and got all over my hands. But they do look good, so I can't wait to try these out. Let's go ahead and look at the other one. And these just basically just go in there like this and they start charging. The left earbud there, identical to the other one. Look at that, looks good. Charging right there, I believe. Yep, that's the charging points. But mic, couple mics surrounding this bad boy here. Looking good, looking good. Very small, very pocketable. Just put them in there, bam, and you're good to go. TCL there. Now they state they're wireless charging, so I do have a wireless charger here, and bam, as you can see, it wireless charges with no problem whatsoever. $100. Now, are these worth your $100? We'll find out. I'm getting ready to go out on a trip. I'm going to take these with me. I'm going to pair them up with the TCL 20 Pro, and I'm going to give you my experience with these earbuds here. noise control, touch function, wearing detection, all that, it's included here. You do need to download the TCL Connect app. That's going to give you and unlock all those functions. They do state that they produce clear and natural sound, tuned for clear mid to high range and rich bass. So for you bass heads, they are stating that these are rich in bass. They do have a 10mm dynamic driver and wireless charging, obviously. So they are stating 32 hours with charging case, 8 hours per single charge. So you are able to use them for 8 hours and years per single charge, and you're going to be able to get up to 32 hours with the case itself. So you can put them in there and charge them. And customizable tips, they gave you a assortment amount of customizable tips. So you should be able to find the perfect size for your ears there and have no issues. But there you have it, guys. That's all I have for you today. The TCL Moveaudio S600 true wireless earbuds for $99.99. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick these up for yourself. Can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video here. All right, so we're back with the review of the TCL Moveaudio S600s. Now for $99, this is a great deal. The only one thing I don't like about them, I don't like this aesthetic. They're a little bit thicker than like the iPods and stuff like that, but they're not too bad at all. They actually work pretty good. Battery life on these are amazing. They 8 hours easily on each one. I do use them for work all the time, and my work consists of anywhere from 12-hour days, and I would use one of them to talk to coworkers or listen to audio podcasts while I'm working, and they do last about 8 hours. There's no problem whatsoever. And then as soon as the battery drains, I'll go ahead and pop it back in its little case here, and then pull out the other one, and then just put that one in my ear and continue my day. Easily make it throughout a whole day, no problems whatsoever. The app itself, it's pretty decent. You do have noise cancellation, so noise cancellation on, and then noise transparency mode. So the transparency mode, you can actually hear the ambient noise around you. So if you have both of them on, you can actually hear through the earbud what's going on. The mic's picking up the sound. Now with transparency mode, the battery life does diminish just about a bit. I was getting anywhere from 5 to 6 hours for each earbud, so not bad. But if you have one on, you pretty much don't need that transparency mode is what they're calling it, because you have your other ear free. You're going to pick up anything surrounding it, any unexpected thing around you, you're going to pick it up. As far as sound quality with music, I like hip-hop music was pretty good. It's pretty bassy as they're advertised. I don't see a equalizer portion here, and oh, look at that, there's no firmware update from. I thought there was a firmware update. So I don't see an equalizer here in the app for the earbuds themselves, but I think you can do it if you have, like, I use YouTube Music, so you can probably go on YouTube Music and utilize that equalizer. To me, just out of the gate, it sounded pretty good to me. I'm not too much of a what do you call it, I don't know, audiophile. I'm not too much of an audiophile. If the music sounds good, then I enjoy it and continue playing. Now it does have wearing detection, so when you pull the earbud, it detects whether it's in your ear or not. So to me, the touch functionality of the earbuds are a little wonky. It does take a little time to get used to, but I really don't use them apps too often. If anything, I'll just touch and hold just to pause the song and play, or, you know, double tap to skip, or triple tap to go back to what I was listening prior. But overall, for $99, these earbuds are absolutely amazing. Battery life is crazy good. I'm satisfied there. Sound is decent. Pretty good sound. I'm not disappointed in any way, shape, or form. The case is a little round and bulky. Would have liked to see it a little bit bigger, but not too bad. It does have Type-C charging and wireless charging, so that's cool. And you can easily get through 24 hours with one charge of these earbuds. Well, you use it for about 8 hours, and then you're gonna go ahead And if depending if you're going to use just single, if you use a single 1x1, you easily get through 24 hours with one charge. If you're going to use both of them, probably 2 charges. One thing to mention, I wanted to mention to you guys is that I did put the original earbuds back in and try to test the difference of sound. And let me tell you that these foam ear tips here, these are the Pixel Buds 2 foam ear tips I bought on Amazon, make a world of a difference compared to these stock ones that came with it. I mean, like these, it doesn't really get a good seal in your ear, so the sound quality kind of diminishes, like the bass or anything like that. It doesn't sound rich and full, but as soon as you put these foam tip earbuds tips on, it's a world of a difference. The sound quality, the bass, the richness, is just changes everything completely, and make the $100 Moveaudio 600s well worth it. So I strongly recommend, if you're gonna pick these up, make sure you pick up a pair of these foam ear tips. The ones that I have here, like I mentioned, these are from the Pixel Buds 2. Bought these on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure if you get some foam tips for any similar style earbud, should work with the TCL Moveaudio 600. So just make sure you pick up some phone tips and you won't be dissatisfied. But for $99, it doesn't get better than that. The TCL Moveaudio S600s have really impressed me. Super satisfied with these, and I'm going to continue to use them with my TCL 20 Pro. Again, thanks for watching. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick these up for yourself, because these are absolutely pretty amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.